You look tired. What happens?
I try to learn English every day, but I forget everything.
Listen, you don't forget everything. You just don't practice the right way.
I feel slow.
Learning is not a race. Today we fix one thing: present simple tense. Present simple talks about daily routines, things you do every day.
Like, I wake up early?
Yes, exactly. Say it clearly.
I wake up early.
Good. Now say, I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
See? Easy. For I, you, we, they, we use the base verb.
And for he or she?
For he, she, it, we add s.
So, he works?
Yes,
She reads?
perfect.
My brother plays cricket.
There you go. That s is powerful. Now make a sentence about your mother.
She cook dinner every night.
Almost perfect. What is missing?
She cooks dinner every night.
Yes, that's it.
I always forget the S.
And today you remember it. Now, negative form. I say, I do not like tea.
I do not like tea.
He does not play football.
He does not plays football?
No, after does, we use base verb.
He does not play football.
Exactly. Ask me a question.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I do.
Does your friend work here?
No, he does not.
I understand it now.
Tell me your daily routine.
I wake up at 6. I exercise. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home at 5. I watch TV at night. That is present simple, right?
Yes, and you speak it correctly.
I feel better now.
Because you practice, not because it is difficult. Present simple is simple. Base verb for I, you, we, they. Add s for he, she, it. Use do/does for questions and negatives. Practice daily.
I practice every day. I improve every day.
And improvement comes with patience.